unboxing this Rubik's Cube. We're gonna do some unboxing videos, and I'll do some Rubik's Cube videos.
This is what it looks like out of the box.
And I'll show you. Gosh. How'd you get it open? Oh, I got it. First few spins. Oh, this sounds good.
We'll be right back.
Guys, I'm really glad with these because these aren't stickers, and I'm glad because you have to stick.
I'll show you up close. See?
You have to stick.
I'm trying to pick at it. It's not a sticker. And just to tell you, Purple Pufferfish, comment in the video if you want this back. If you want it back, it's fine, but it doesn't really matter.
It's first few spins, and these first few spins are good. Whoa. I think the white's supposed to be the main color because it says their brand name on it.
And the brand was, let's see if you guys can see it.
It's called Rubik. I just don't like it because when it gets old and stuff, like the pieces.
Okay, come on, I'm
Like
accidentally.
the pieces get all loose.
Okay, it's
like the
from
pieces get all
Rubik's.
loose and then they get stuck in some and then it doesn't spin as good. Like this one kind of, see, these pieces get stuck, but it's still fun to solve.
Okay, this is the brand, Rubik's.
Guys, if you could feel this right now, I wish you could, but this one's way more lighter than this one.
Yeah.
And this one's a little bigger, even though it's the same thing. I'll show my machine. Trying to solve it. Dun, dun, dun.
See you guys later. Always eat your mushrooms.
Rubik. Can you comment down below if you want more unboxing videos and more Rubik's Cube videos? So long, goodbye.